This guy is riding it like a toy. Shit, man. I think the rain got hurt me loud. Elek tond hogtide guru. Where is my hotel, bro?
1,000 words ain't enough to define the body up, yeah. Got a look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're one in a million, but it's not in, yeah. My fault, my bad. The words out, but you weren't ready for it. Show off appearance of I got it, but
Okay. Okay, pa. Bye. Today I'm heading for today ride. So there is no surprise. The destination is Mysore. Yeah, it's around 150 kilometers from my home. I had plans to go to Ooty, Coorg and other places initially, but I have some work Sunday afternoon. I have to come back early tomorrow. So that's the reason I thought instead of cancelling, right, let's go to Mysore and come back. Very excited for the ride, even though it's a short and sweet ride. I'm staying at Mysore one day. Today night I'm staying there, and tomorrow morning I'm heading back. So let's see if I can go and explore some places nearby. I have been to Mysore like 3 times on bike itself, and I have visited few things nearby. But let's go and plan there. My plan is to just head to Mysore right now, go and check in into the hotel, and after that I will plan. Took a small break. It took me approximately 40 minutes to 1 hour, but 50 minutes to 1 hour to cross the Bangalore, and finally I'm here on Mysore Road. Feels good to be back to Mysore Road after a long time. And I'm studying in engineering. I used to travel here almost every day on these roads, Mysore roads. I was really missing these roads. Feels great to be back on these roads. You can go to Mysore from Bangalore in 2 ways. One is you can take the Kanakpura road. You can go through Kanakpura, and the other one is the typical Bangalore-Mysore highway, wherein you are going through Bidadi, Mandya, Srirangapatna and Mysore. So today I am taking this Bidadi route, Bangalore-Mysore highway, because I've been to Mysore 3 times, and all the 3 times while going I used to take Kanakpura road, because the weather is awesome there and there is very less traffic and very good landscape. But I wanted to experience this road while going to Mysore. So this is my first time going to Mysore through Bangalore-Mysore highway. Whenever we were staying here near Kengeri Upanagar, it used to take me approximately 2+ hours, more than 2 hours to go to my office one way. I used to go on a bike from my home to Nayanhalli metro station, keep my bike there, take a metro all the way from Mysore Road to Bayapnahalli, and from there Bayapnahalli I used to take a bus or train or sometimes office cab or sometimes personal cab, depending upon the time. Now I'm missing that travel actually. Over 600 okay? Haan. such that it is absolutely made. It goes hand in hand with bike ride. ಯಾವರಪ್ಪ ಇದು? ಓ ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣ. This time I think I am enjoying the ride. I think there is a lot of difference between enjoying your journey versus just going to the destination. I think this time I am enjoying the journey because I am trying to capture some clips on my GoPro. I usually ride with Rajesh. With Rajesh, he is my office colleague, and sometimes with Sanjeev, who is Rajesh's friend. So these are my only riding partners as of now, or riding gang. We are only 3 of us. And he has gone to Ladakh now. And I truly wanted to be joining him for his Ladakh trip. But I'm not used to 15-day rides as of now. I can ride for a week maximum. After that I want to go back to my home. But today it's a different thing. I wanted to get out of my home. I was really frustrated sitting in my room, and especially on the chair where I do work from home. Shit, man, I think the rain heard me loud. It started raining cats and dogs when I entered Maddur. See, now it is again back. I think if you see back there in the mirror, it's raining cats and dogs there. Unfortunately, I did not wear my rain liners inside the jacket, so I'm completely drenched with water right now. This is Mysore road only, no, Macha? Mysuru, heritage city of Karnataka. Wow, man, it was an excellent ride altogether, and I have to tell, the weather was awesome today, even though it rained a little bit near Maddur and Srirangapatna. But boy, oh boy, what a ride, man, what a ride. Absolutely loved it. The best thing about Mysore is it's the way the city is maintained, guys. It is very, very clean and tidy. I think last time I stayed somewhere this side. Yeah, exactly this side. I can see the hotel from here. So this time it's a different place. Oh, crazy, bro. Coming in opposite direction like a boss. The boss. I'm yet to have my lunch. I thought of stopping in on the way, but there are some flagship restaurants in Mysore which I don't want to miss. Right, and I don't think tomorrow I'll be able to have lunch here, because I'm planning to leave tomorrow as soon as possible, maybe around 11 o'clock or 12 o'clock. Let's see if I can have lunch tomorrow, but I don't want to miss the lunch at a flagship hotel today. There are a lot of hotels here which I like. Wow, beautiful Mysore Palace. Where is my hotel, bro? MC Road, Heritage Inn. Okay, now don't tell me, guys, you don't have parking. Finally, man, we have a good parking. Okay, I'm heading towards Mysore Palace and nearby places. I want to see the streets of Mysore, how it looks during night time. Let's go. A lot of people are here to take the pictures, photos, whatever you call. Oh, looks so nice, man. But especially during Dasara time, this will be fully lighted up. Beautiful lights, and not only the Mysore Palace but also the streets that are surrounding that. I'll just go and take a small photo kind of a thing and then head back. ಹಾಂ, ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅದು? ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಂ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೋ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್. People over here are very helpful. I'd come here to buy some stuff. This is called Kaveri Silk and Handicraft Udyog. So this is kind of a factory outlet wherein they have pure sandalwood stuff. I had just come here to buy agarbatti and perfume. I don't really use the perfume, but my dad uses perfume, so I just wanted to try this sandalwood perfume. It smelled really good. Hopefully my dad and my brother likes it. I'm heading back to hotel now.